Keeping a very close eye on Florence, of course, still a hurricane as of latest update from the National Hurricane Center on this early Thursday morning. Unfortunately, this storm may stall out near the coast, prolonging the heavy rain, the significant winds, and the significant storm surge, turning it into a potentially life-threatening storm. So again, weather conditions throughout the day today will deteriorate very rapidly. But the worst of the weather coming in tonight and early tomorrow morning, at least in terms of wind and storm surge. But then the prolonged threat of very heavy rainfall will be felt inland. This is a look at Hurricane Florence as of early Thursday. Eyewall, not quite as impressive as it was yesterday. There has been some slight weakening in that. Again, don't let that fool you. Winds, of course, up to 110 miles per hour still as of early this Thursday. You can see that the track takes it to the northwest, eventually making landfall near that North Carolina-South Carolina border, potentially as a Category 2 storm yet, and then eventually drifting to the north as we head into that early week time from next week. So hurricane warnings in brighter red from the Outer Banks down to South Carolina. Hurricane watches in place for Charleston, but tropical storm warnings in place from Norfolk to just east of the Raleigh area. So we're looking at a storm surge, a push of water from about 9 to 15 feet inland, and then of course that flash flood watch in place for anywhere from 10 to 20 inches of rain, some isolated 40-inch amounts. So again, a life-threatening storm. Of course, this is going to be pretty bad over the next 2 to 3 days.